Right. The first chapter is locus. This is of weightage 4 marks. 4 marks. Now, I am not giving all textual definitions, simple understanding definition with the simple words, right? Simply, locus means it is a path traced by a point. So, here the definition is a path traced by a point under the given condition, So, with respect to the condition, a point is forming a path, that is called locus. Here, I will be taking a small example. Here is a point, suppose x comma y. And here is another fixed point C A comma B. And what I am telling is, this point P is moving at a distance of 5 units from this point, I said. Then the condition is what? Distance from C to P is 5 units. So, such points there are infinite number of points which are at a distance of 5 units from the fixed point C. Okay. Therefore, the set of all infinite number of points, that means the point P is forming a curve or a path. This path is called locus, right? So, path traced by this point P under the given condition. That given condition is Cp is equal to 5. Right? So, Cp is equal to 5, then this is called locus. So, I will be taking another example. See here, there are 2 points A and B, 2 points. One point or the set of points are equidistant from the 2 points A and B. Here is a point P of x comma y. The set of all points, whatever point you take on this path, that is equidistant from A and equidistant from B. That means PA is equal to PB. Then the path P is moving like this. So, in this case, it is a straight line. In this case, it is a curve. That means the simple definition is locus is a straight line or a curve. Okay. So, locus is either a straight line, or a curve. So, this is the definition, simple definition of the locus. Okay. So, locus means it is the path traced by the point under the given condition. In this total chapter, a single concept I will be telling you. Any problem is given, you take first of all Px comma y be a point on the specified locus. Then write the condition. Then convert the condition into algebraic form. Then that is the equation of the locus. So, this is procedure to find the locus. Procedure to find the locus. First point is, let P of x comma y be a point on the locus. So, first of all, pick up a point. Next, the second step is write the given condition. Like here, PA is equal to PB. This is the condition here. Next, in this CP is equal to 5. This is the condition. So, write the given condition. Then, the third one is convert into the algebraic equation. That algebraic equation is containing x comma y terms and some numerical values. This is convert into the algebraic form. Okay, these are only the 3 steps in this total chapter. Single definition, single concept. Okay, only locus means either a straight line or a curve, and the procedure to find the locus is just you pick up blindly a point on locus and write the given condition. Sometimes the condition may not be given in terms of PA plus PB or CA plus CB like that. Only in terms of sentences it will be given. Just you only convert the condition, then convert into algebraic form. This is the locus equation. We'll discuss a few of the problems and then we close the chapter. Now the problems. I told you only 4 marks weightage problem is there in this. Okay. Now find the locus of a point. Find the locus of a point. The first problem. Find the locus of a point. Find the locus of a point which is at a distance of 5 from A 4 comma minus 3. So blindly you take let P of xy belongs to locus. That means lies on the curve. Next, A is a fixed point 4 comma minus 3. Distance from P to A is equal to 5. This is your given condition. PA is equal to 5 is given condition. Then PA square is equal to 25. While writing distance from P to A, you get the square root. So removing that square root, I will be squaring on both sides. PA square. x2 minus x1 whole square, that is x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 3, y minus of minus 3, y plus 3 whole square is equal to 25, right? And expand, this is x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y, this is second, plus constants 16 plus 9, 25, that 25 cancel, only minus 8x plus 6y is equal to 0. This is the locus of the point P. That means what? This is, I told you, this is the locus of the point P, and this is a circle here. This is also a circle equation, locus. So don't worry whether it is a circle or a straight line or ellipse or hyperbola, whatever it is, just it is a curve. And if you get a linear equation in terms of x and y, it represents a straight line. So either a straight line or a curve, right? He is not asking whether it is a curve or a straight line. Simply find the locus of the point using the given condition. We'll see some more problems. The second problem is find the equation of locus of P such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2C square, where capital A coordinates are given A comma 0, B minus A comma 0, and 0 less than mod A less than mod C. This is the problem. A, B coordinates are given and condition is also given. Then your solution is simple. Here is a condition, mod A value in between 0 to C. So no need to consider all these things. So we'll see all the conditions, whatever the constraints. In exam, AIEEE, MSET, in entrance point of view, deeply you will study. Here in this case, simply a condition is there and given points are there. Simply your solution is P of xy belongs to locus A comma 0, B minus A comma 0, and condition is PA square plus PB square is equal to 2C square. P distance from P to A, x minus A whole square, x minus A whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is y square. Next PB, x plus A whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is again y square is equal to 2C square. Y square plus y square is 2y square. You know A minus B whole square plus A plus B whole square. You get minus 2AB here plus 2AB, both are cancelled. A square plus A square, 2 into A square. This is 2 into A square plus B square is equal to 2C square. But 2 is common, I will be dividing by 2. Then the equation becomes x square, and in order I will be writing y square is equal to C square minus A square. This is the locus of the point P, right? Locus of the point P. Okay. Next, we'll go to the next problem. Next problem is find the equation of locus of P if A 2, 3, B 2 minus 3, and the condition is PA plus PB is equal to 8. This is the condition. Now here P of x comma y belongs to locus A 2 comma 3, B 2 minus 3, condition PA plus PB is equal to 8. Prati problem lo ide untadi. First P of x y belongs to locus. తర్వాత A కామా B పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చిన పాయింట్స్, తర్వాత కండిషన్. ఇన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేస్తుంటే విరక్తి పుడుతుంది. అందుకనే ఫైనైట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేస్తే చాలు, కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వర్కౌట్ చేస్తే చాలు. మీకు ఉన్నటువంటి కండిషను తర్వాత ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్స్ తీసుకొని అంతవరకు వర్కౌట్ చేయండి. PA plus PB is equal to 8. Now I can write this PA is equal to 8 minus PB. Right? So PA square is equal to 8 minus PB whole square. Because I want to square to write the distance from A to B or P to A, so without square root. So PA square means distance from P to A, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Here is A minus B whole square, right? So this is here is PA square first. This is 64 plus PB square minus 16 PB minus 2AB, right? PA square means x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, y minus 3 whole square is equal to 64 plus PB square means x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square minus 16. PB as it is I will be writing, because if I write PB here I will get a square root form. Then after simplifying this I will go to another next step. Here is x minus 2 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square plus both are cancelled, same terms with the same sign. Y minus 3 whole square, and this you bring this side, y minus 3 whole square plus minus y plus 3 whole square is equal to, here you can take 64 and 16, I can take 8 8s are 16, 8 2s are, or you can take another factor also. A minus B whole square minus of A plus B whole square. A square minus A square cancel, B square minus B square cancel. Here is minus 2AB, that is minus 6y minus 6y minus 12y minus 6 minus 6 minus 12y is equal to 8 into 8 minus 2pb, right? So 4 3s, 4 2s I can cancel. Minus 3y here. And 16, bring this side, it will be minus 16 is equal to 2 2s are 4, minus 4pb. So cancel minus by taking common. Then 3y plus 16 is there. I will be taking 3y plus 16 whole square is equal to 16pb square. Directly pb square you can apply the distance from p to b, right? And then you can simplify. This is 9y square plus 256 plus 2ab, 2 3 is a 6, 16 the 96y is equal to 16 into pb square. This is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. This is 16 pb square. Okay. Here is 9y square plus 96y plus 256 plus 256 is equal to 16 into x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 4 plus 9 plus 13, right? So 9y square minus 16y square is 9 minus 16, or 16y square minus 9y square is 7y square plus 16x square. Right, here there is no y square term, y square term, 2 y square terms are there. I made it one single, next 16x square. After that x terms, 64x, 16 4s, 96y minus 96y, both are cancelled. There is no y term, right? Next constants are there. Here is 256 minus 256, 13 into 16, 13 6 78, 13 7 20, 208. This is equal to 0. Okay. So 7x square, y square, 16x square, 64x. Next, there is no y term. So I will simplify these two constants, then writing in order. First x square term, next y square term, next x term, next constant. Here is 256, 208, 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. This is the locus of the point P, satisfying the condition PA plus PB is equal to 8. So 16x square, 7y square minus 64x minus 48 is equal to 0. This is the locus of the point P. Okay. So now thank you so much. Okay. We'll go to next chapter in the next session. Thank you.